We are pleased to show you the 2017 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, remote engine start, traction control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, driver airbag. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.